In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your driver's license online in California for the year 2025, and I'll guide you through the process step by step to make it as easy and seamless as possible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the California DMV's website. The specific page you're looking for is the driver's license and ID card online renewal section. Once you're on that page, look for the option that says Renew Driver's License/ID and click on it. After that, you'll need to select Renew DL to proceed with the driver's license renewal process. Next comes the login step. Use your email and password to log into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so before you proceed. This login grants you access to all the DMV services available to you. Once you're logged in, locate the online driver's license renewal service from your account dashboard. It's usually pretty straightforward to find, and initiating the renewal is just a click away. Now that you're in, it's time to complete the online application. The system will present you with on-screen instructions. You're going to verify your personal details during this step. Double-check all your information to ensure there are no typos or inaccuracies. These details typically include your name, address, and contact information, just to make sure everything is up to date. After confirming your details, you may need to submit some documents online. One possible requirement could be a new facial photo. This might sound daunting, but don't worry. The online portal provides clear instructions on how to capture a suitable image for your new license. Once all your information is accurately filled in and any necessary documents are submitted, you'll move on to the payment stage. The system allows you to pay the renewal fee using a credit or debit card, making it super convenient. Just follow the prompts to enter your payment details. Double check that the fee amount is correct before finalizing your payment. Finally, it's time to wrap up the process. After your renewal is processed and approved, your brand new driver's license will be mailed directly to your address. This typically takes a couple of weeks, so keep an eye out for it in the mail. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the renewal process for your driver's license online without the hassle of waiting in long lines at the DMV office. By following these steps, you're ensuring that you can continue driving legally and with peace of mind as your new license arrives safely at your doorstep. Whether it's your first time renewing online or you're already familiar with the procedure, the ease and convenience are sure to enhance your experience. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.